Okay, hello everybody. A little recap of the lesson we did today. So I'm on page 369. I'm on page 369. So here's what I've got today. We are going to take a look at a story problem that has two parts to it. We can go to the gym, and there's 3 different exercise machines. Jackson goes to the gym, and he likes the stair stepper. So he's going to use the stair stepper only. He can either do a light effort or a vigorous effort, right? Here's his constraints, though. He can only go at most 45 minutes. So I have my first equation is, we'll let the x be the easy and the y be the strenuous. So many minutes on the easy and so many minutes on the strenuous. He has at most 45 minutes, okay? We also know he wants to burn at least 400 calories, so we know if he's on the light stair stepper, it's 6.9 calories per minute, and it's 10.4 calories per minute, but he needs to burn at least 400, so it's greater than or equal to 400. So if he has less than 45 minutes, he's okay, but he has to have more than 400. So then what we did is we went over the other side and we graphed this, okay? So the easiest way to graph these, I think, is by intercepts. So I've already got the problem done, but I'll show you what I did. By intercepts is when you let x equals 0, and then you let y equals 0. So if I let x equal 0 in this example, the first one, x is 0, that's easy. Y equals 45. Y is a 45. Just graph that. If y is 0, x is 45, so I graph that and I connected the dots. It has to be less than, so I shade everything below because he has 45 minutes or less to work. Now the other machine, 6.9 calories per minute on the easy, 10.4 calories per minute doing a strenuous, has to burn more than 400 or more calories. So I did, again, by intercepts, I did the cover-up method. So if I cover up the y and I solve for x, I get 38 on the x. And for the y's, if I cover up x, let x equal 0, solve for y, I get about 38.9, I think, or 39. So I graphed that one. Connected the dots, and this one's got to be shaded above because he wants to burn more than 400. So where do they overlap? They overlap in this small little region right in here, okay? This is the only place where 2 things can happen. 2 things. One, he spends 45 minutes or less on the machine. And the second constraint is he burns more than 400. So I picked a point in that region, 3:42, which is 3 minutes on the easy, 42 minutes on the hard. We do know that 3 plus 42 is less than or equal to 45, so that does work. Plugged it in. Make sure what we've got. And I've got also, if I plugged into my equation for my strenuous or light, we burned up 457. That's good. That'll work. So we can go 3 minutes on the easy, 45 minutes on the strenuous. Okay. I picked another point, 7:35, 7 on the easy, 38 minutes on the hard. I know that those two add up to 45 or less. And I plug those into my calories, and I get 443, which is greater than or equal to 400. So that is the lesson that we did today. If you have any questions, come see me. I'm going to post this to Canvas.